Today we are making apple and peach upside down puff pastry. This beautiful and delicious treat is so good. All you need to decide is on whether or not you want it with or without ice cream. Look at that. I'm always looking for new recipes to make with apples for fall. So today we're gonna make this apple and peach upside down puff pastry. So I have a baking sheet, lined parchment paper. I'm gonna take some honey and we're gonna make 6 of these. So I'm gonna drizzle honey there. Then we're gonna take very thinly sliced peaches and apples and I'm gonna lay them down on top of the honey. Just do a little apple. So we're doing about 4 slices here. So we did apple peach. Perfect. Now we're gonna take a little bit of cinnamon, sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. Next, we're gonna take some store-bought pastry dough right here. I've laid out the 1 sheet and I'm gonna cut it into thirds this way, and then in half here. And we're gonna take each one of these and we're gonna blanket it right over our fruit. Let's make a little blanket here. A little alternative to traditional way of making an apple or fruit pastry. So we're just gonna take a fork and just cinch down the edges here. I'm going to take a little egg wash. We're going to brush the tops. I'm going to bake these in the oven. I have preheated the oven at 375, so we're going to do this for about 20-25 minutes till they're nice and golden brown. Puff pastry looks amazing, nice golden brown color. So we're gonna flip these right onto our serving dish. How beautiful. Look how delicious these look. And now we're gonna put a little bit of powdered sugar right on top before serving. Look how easy, delicious, and beautiful. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram for more entertaining tips. Enjoy.